Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So today we will talk about Moto G Stylus 5G. So let's get started. First of all, we will talk about this one body. This one body weight is 190 gram, glass front, silicone polymer and water resistance. Display is 6.70 inch P-OLED, 1B colors, 120Hz refresh rate and 1200 nits, 1080 to 2400 pixel resolution and aspect ratio 20:9. Cheapest Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 4nm. Memory 128GB with 8GB RAM and 256GB with 8GB RAM. OS Android 14. Rear camera is 50 megapixel with 1.8 aperture. So this phone is nice for night photography. Ultra wide angle 30 megapixel 2.2 aperture. Front camera is 32 megapixel with 2.4 aperture. This phone rear camera can capture HD with 30, 60 and 120 fps and front camera can capture HD with 30 and 60 fps. Battery. This phone battery is 5000 mAh battery with 30 watt wire charging system and 50 watt wireless charging system. Connectivity 5G, Wi-Fi 5, NFC and 3.5 mm and fingerprint reader and a good sound system. So overall this phone is good. That was the video for today and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.